After installation of reverse camera, you find this type of scrambled video and you don't get a clear rear view video from the camera. So I will show you how to do that in this following video. Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to rectify your reverse camera settings if you get a scramble video after installing your camera. Now for this you have to go to the settings. Let me show you how to do that. First I will go to home, then I will go to the apps where I will go to settings. In the settings menu I will go to factory, and where I need to enter a password. In Nippon stereo it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and confirm, and here you will get different settings of your particular stereo system. Now let me tell you one thing, this particular password may be different for your stereo. I will give you a set of passwords with which you can try. Now here in this settings you will come to a particular section where you will find high definition settings, and you should click on that. Here you will find the reverse settings. Once you press on the reverse settings, there are different type of settings in your system. Suppose in my system this particular head unit supports 360-degree camera. So it was originally in 360 mode, and there are different types of settings. What I have chosen the reverse setting, since I have only one camera. So if you have only one camera, you should select reverse, and here you will find different resolutions of your camera. Based on that you need to select one. I am not selecting any one since I have already selected reverse. Now there are different settings. In the reverse you can select auto, you can select these resolutions, whatever you select. Now once you select them, it will, I am showing you, once you do that, I am going to auto and press enter. Here it won't work since all these are already selected in the system, and after you do that the system will restart, and once it will restart you will get the original video on your screen. Now let me tell you, if you do any mistake, अगर कोई mistake आपने कर लिया तो आप कैसे वो resolution को भी change कर सकते हो. उसके लिए आपको factory settings में आने का जरूरत नहीं. If you made a mistake while selecting your resolution, you need not go to the same settings again. That will be very easy for you. Let me show you that. Once I press the reverse, I have pressed the reverse, and you see there is the settings menu, and in the settings menu also you can change this particular settings. So that is very easy for you, and after that you will get this original reverse video. So I think in this process you can easily change your reverse camera settings and bring back the video, and this will solve your reverse video problem. If this particular tutorial do solve your problem, give a thumbs up, and if you have any comments regarding this procedure, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye.